In this video, you'll learn how to migrate your newsletter from Sparkloop to beehiiv, and this includes importing subscribers and subscriber information. Let's get straight into it. First, log into your Sparkloop account and click on the Subscribers tab. If you don't see it, make sure you have Grow and not Earn toggled on in the top right corner of your screen. After locating the Subscribers tab, click on the Export icon on the right-hand side and click on Export Subscribers. Once you click Export, you'll be emailed a CSV file with the full list of your subscribers. From here, log into your beehiiv account and go to Settings, Publication, and Import Subscribers, and here, click Start New Import. Note that before uploading your CSV file to beehiiv, you can import it into Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel to take a quick look at the data to make sure it looks good. If there are any hiccups in the data or formatting, you can easily fix this in the program of your choice. Once you check that the subscriber data and everything else looks good, click on Choose File and select the file. Now hit Import Subscribers and import. Once you've done this, you'll now see the different information you can import that's in addition to a subscriber's email address. If you look at the data from Sparkloop, you may notice that Sparkloop has collected different columns of data about your subscribers. With beehiiv, you can import this data that Sparkloop has collected and store them in a subscriber's profile with custom fields or subscriber tags. And here on this page is where you can connect specific columns to specific custom fields or subscriber tags that you've previously made. For example, if you have a custom field for full name, you can check the name row provided by Sparkloop and select the full name custom field that you previously created. Please note that importing any additional data is not a required step and is completely optional. You can certainly import subscribers without any of this information. However, if you do want to create a specific custom field or subscriber tag, go to Audience, Subscribers, and Custom Fields or Subscriber Tags. Once you're done connecting columns to custom fields or subscriber tags, you can hit Import in the bottom right. Once you've done this, you've officially migrated your subscribers from Sparkloop to beehiiv. And that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed videos like this, you might like the other tutorials on our YouTube channel.